All right, this is a type of shawl wrap I'm thinking of. And I'm just putting this on here to get a feel for the wrinkles I'm going to have to do in this thing. I'm not going to have it as high up in the back here, but it's going to be a lot lower. And it'll cover up a little bit more than what I'm covering up here. I'm basically just trying to see what the wrinkles look like so that I can have something to go by. But I think it frames in him very nicely. I don't know, maybe it won't work, I don't know. It's just a different way of presenting him. Normally, you got him in a suit or, yeah, it just, normally that's what you see. I want to do something that's not necessarily normal. Something that is a little more unique. Well, anyway, I'll be right back. Lincoln had a really strange, unusual ear opening. At least according to the sculptures I've seen of Lincoln. The mask that I purchased of Lincoln's life mask didn't have the ears on it. And so I'm just going to go by what I see in other sculptures of Lincoln. I'm going to have to use my homemade latex tools to shape this ear. Looks good. Needs to come out a little bit. Okay, I'm heating up my knife. His ear is a little low. I'm going to raise it up. So I'm going to have to cut the ear off and put it back on again. I don't want to go through the whole trouble of sculpting this ear all over again. Okay, that's better. Right there. Can't have one ear lower than the other. Does not work. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. Now his beard wasn't completely full all the way up to the ears. It was just light. At certain stages in his history of his beard. he said something about his hair, how his barber tried to commit suicide because and trying to deal with his unruly hair. I got to do it in layers. Okay, I'm running low on battery for my camera, and my other battery isn't charged up enough. So I'm gonna have to take this as far as I can before it burns out on me. Well, now it's starting to look like the man I'm trying to do here. It just needed that one more little bit of messiness. Oh, that looks good. All right, that's going to have to do it for today. I am really happy the way this turned out looking. I got a lot of smoothing on the face to do, some detail work, but I'm happy the way this is turning out. Got to work on his mouth a little bit. All right, everybody, that's going to be it for tonight, and I'll see you next time. I'm excited about how this is turning out. I didn't know I could do this or not. I mean, it's somebody that we all know, and we all have the way we think of him. As he should look. I would have liked to have met this man. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully. I'll get this thing close to being done this week. All right, good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.